Play me some Pippin, man.
In this game called life, I've been so compliant. Outside perspective, I'm so defiant. Before wife in my seeds, I was self-reliant, thinking all I'd ever needed was my help to buy it. But now, suns don't shine until I rise up. Make sure the sky is safe to open eyes up. Funny when you find what it takes to realize the power inside multiplies when you apply. But to get rid of that need to believe in me, truly feeling unleashed, feeding the will in me. Time to finish the mission we have received, and we never need to question the fire. There is no chill in me. Message in the head of the letter, whoever is concerned. Wanna watch it after we burn, step in my office. Ever since I vanished, my people, I'm feeling all alone. Oh my God!
This is Diddy music.
There was a point when this mind would start to say prayers. Every single time you would pull back layers, cause what you find when unprepared is quite the opposite of ostentatious. Often sacred cause it gets lost in faces, can't ignore it. If you really want to explore, just be sure cause it's raw, not to waste it. Cause you can imagine what it costs to make it. But now, to get rid of that need to believe in me, truly feeling unleashed, feeding the will in me. Time to finish the mission we have received, and we never need to question the fire.